This 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Liberty Edition 310 BHDSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachman is 35 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a cloud interior, sleeps 10, DVD player, microwave, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, stove-top burner, slide-out, Skylight, spare tire kit, TV, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachman Freedom Express Liberty Edition 310 BHDSLE is 7,888 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.